Hi there, thanks for stopping by my channel today. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to refashion a dress into a jumpsuit, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay your dress down on a flat surface and then take a pair of trousers with legs similar to what you want your jumpsuit to have, and then you're just going to align the sides of your trousers and your dress and cut out the crotch area on your dress. Once that's done, you're going to turn your dress inside out and then align the legs together. Once you have it all aligned, you're just going to take some pins and pin the open sides of the leg in place and then sew. Once you're done sewing, the jumpsuit is nearly done, but now you need a way to actually put it on. So you can either do this by adding a zip to the back or the side of the jumpsuit, or you can use the method which I use, which was to create a plunge neckline, which just gives you more space to wear it from the bottom up. So to do this, you're just going to cut a line down the middle of one side of the top of your jumpsuit and hem the raw edges from the side you've cut. When that is done, you're going to take some excess fabric which you had from the crotch area and just cut it nicely until you get like a rectangular shape. And with these two pieces of fabric, you're just going to create ropes which you can use to tie the front of your neckline, like so. So once you've done that, your jumpsuit is complete and ready to be rocked. And I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you would like to see more refashion tutorials, please do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.